Yes, sir. It's your boy B Hayes. We back with another one, guys. Before we get into it, let's give this video a thumbs up. If you're new around here, you already know what to do. So AMC, let's get ready for next week, guys. I do believe next week will be very surprising, very shocking, and a lot of money will be made on next week, guys. So let's go ahead and get into the video, share with you guys my opinion on why I believe next week will be a turnaround for the overall market and as well as AMC and GME. So let's go ahead and take a look at it, guys. So we know inflation is through the roof at 40-year highs. We know interest rates is hiking, still more hikes to come. We know the market is still on edge of uncertainty. More people expecting even more droppage to come. We know all this is going on, guys. We also know that we didn't beat analyst expectations. With our CPI inflation data came in very hot. We had hit a peak on inflation of 8.5%. Let me be clear about hitting the peak. That doesn't mean, we hit our peak, show what a peak, the highest point was 8.5%. Not saying we hit a peak as if we can't go back and create a new peak. That's just stating where we have been. And now we're currently sitting at 8.3%, guys. We did come down, which shows a great sign that we could possibly be starting to come down and be, further away from that peak price. But we didn't beat analyst expectations. Analysts expected for us to come in at around 8.1%. So you know how they do, guys. If you don't beat their expectations or be under what they expected or do better than what they expected, it's going to look bad. They're going to make it seem as if it's very, very bad for the overall market. And that's exactly what they try to put out there. But obviously, we ended Friday on a great, great note. Meaning usually on Fridays, we won't end how strongly we did. Being for the fact a lot of investors, a lot of big money is shifting, moving their money, selling out positions, not holding positions over the weekend. A lot of call options being expired, a lot of different things going on in Friday for the market, to 9 times out of 10 not end the way we did, especially with all the uncertainty, everything that's going on in the market right now. So being for the fact that we did see a great start on Friday, Thursday as well, and then towards midday, towards power hour, that last hour of the day, we seen the sell off. We seen us give back those gains, and like I said in that video I made on Friday, I was stating that I'm watching everything that's going on, and if we have this cup and handle, because whenever you run up early in the morning to midday, you can expect to have a pullback right before power hour. If the market going to continue to trend higher, it's going to pull back just to shake the week out, shake some people out, just to go higher towards the last hour of the day, or right back to his highest point of where it left off during midday. So that's exactly what I was expecting for him Friday. After having that good run, like, come on, the market can't be about to just keep giving away these deals. It's going to go up very, very quickly and rapidly, 20-30% easily. So with that being said, guys, it did exactly what I was anticipating on it doing. It rerouting, going back to finish even higher on the day than its previous peak of the day on Friday, which was a great, great sign of continuation going into next week, especially the way we ended on Friday, guys. Also, being for the fact that companies, large cap companies, mid cap companies, small cap companies, is already down over 70, 60, 80, 90%, guys. So it's like, even if more bad news was to come out, where exactly is these companies going to go? They can't, hey, they able to go down to $1, 10 cents, 50 cents, $5, but it's just insane, guys. If it want to do that, bring it. I'm waiting on it. Just like I've been waiting on what's happening now. This is like going to be like taking candy from a baby. Literally, guys. I'll be making a video later on about, I ain't going to tell you the title or whatnot, but I'll be making a video later on exactly how I believe, because I told you, you guys know I'm down in Tilray. I took a big hit in Tilray because I was going all in. I said bump my rules. I said bump everything. I'm going all in. And I went all in, and I'm still all in on Tilray. But I still believe in Tilray. I still believe federal legalization will come around, and it's going to be one of the most talked about stocks in the game, as well as the other ones. So you guys already know how I'm rocking. So with that being said, I do believe next week is going to be a crazy turnaround. And also, what I was just mentioning before I lose my train of thought is if you lost any money and you don't make your money back, the stock market ain't for you. If you don't make your money back ×2, make your money back and pay yourself for all your hard work, the stock market ain't for you guys. Because during all this time, through all this ruckus, you should be studying, learning as much as possible. Get money. Loading up the brokerage account, loading up the brokerage account. Sitting in the cash position, waiting. Patience. Buying the best quality companies at the best prices. Don't look for the best prices, the cheapest prices in the okay company. Nah, I look for the best companies for okay prices. But with the market being so cheap right now, you got the best companies for the best prices. So pay attention to what's going on, guys, because your boy, I'm letting you know here right now. First, I don't like to tell people like a lot about my finances, being where I'm from the hood. So a lot of people is lurking, they looking, they watching, and they don't even let me know they watching. They don't like, they don't comment, they don't nothing. They just watching his every move, what he's saying, So anyways, with that being said, in order to spread my wings, to reach the amount of people I want to reach, to do what I got to do, to help who I need to help, I got to be a little more transparent. I got to show you guys, your boy, he gets it. He does his thing. I get my percentage of the pie. I ain't got nowhere near the most money in the world. I ain't got nowhere near where I want to be at. But I gets my piece of the pie. And if you don't know what that means, that just means I gets mine. So with that being said, I'm gonna be showing you guys. I showed you guys when I'm down. I told you guys when I'm down $50,000. 50 G's. And your boy tickled. I'm turned because I know I'm gonna get it back. I'm gonna get that 50 back plus 10 more 50s. I'm talking 50,000s, 10 more of them. That's 500K. So I'm just being real, guys. I'm just letting you know. I'm excited. For what's to come. I'm excited, guys. Like I told you guys, if you can afford to, if you got that millionaire mindset, if you got that real drive, that real thrive, now is the time. I never advise anyone to put like a majority of their wealth into something, but right now, see, I went a little too early putting the majority of my wealth in the market, but it's all right though. But I'm okay with helping somebody and putting them in a better situation than I'm in myself. So with that being said, just like I told you guys, if I'm down in Tilray and I'm telling you guys I'm down, you should know this is a crazy opportunity to buy at these prices. Being for the fact that I'm already down, I got to wait to get my breads back before I even can see profits. And if you buy at these levels, you about to see profits like almost ASAP. So with that being said, guys, it's just all about perspective and and just setting yourself up. Because like I told you guys, I'm okay with losing bread because I know what I lost in order to get to that next level. It ain't like I'm losing, this money for no reason, or ain't got no strategy, or I don't see things clearly. I know exactly what I'm doing. I see things all the way clearly. You got to lose that in order to get to that next step. The market is not going to reward you. You is not going to be able to make that type of money in the market that I'm trying to make, because it's different levels. When I first came in the market, I was just trying to make $5, $10, $20, $50, $100. Then that next level was trying to make $200, $300, $400. Next level was trying to make $1,000, $2,000, $3,000, $4,000. Did that. So the next level was trying to make 5 figures, $20,000, $30,000, $40,000 in one investment. We did that. And then that next phase, guess what come after that? Guess what your boy trying to work on now? One trade, one investment. We trying to make 200,000, 100,000, 300,000, 400,000. So in order to do that, in order to make the 30, 40, 50 billions that we're talking about, yeah, we had to lose like 10,000, 7,000, 8,000, 5,000. You get what I'm saying? You had to lose that in order to even see a 30, 40, 50,000 day in the market. And you think I'm gonna see a 200, 300, 400, 500,000 day in the market without losing 5 figures? That's what I'm telling you is level. You got to understand that you're gonna lose 10, 20, 30, 40, maybe even 50 G's trying to get 6 figures in one investment. 500, 400, 300,000. Get it, guys. Understand that. And one day, I ain't gonna never be afraid to tell you guys. One day, I'm gonna let you know ahead of time, early on. One day, your boy be losing 100, 150, 200,000 on an investment. You know why? Because we're on a different level. We're on a different bracket. We aiming for $1 million, $2 million in one single investment. That's why we had to lose 6 figures, because you're trying to go to that next level. You ain't gonna get to that next level without risking a big bag in order to really accelerate that wealth and accelerate that action. You know, playing it safe, playing it small, you gonna always stay on that small level. You ain't gonna get to where you actually going. And it ain't nothing wrong with that. If you content, you okay with having, you know, a certain amount of bread and you want to play in that ball field and play it safe and keep it safe, that's on you. I ain't got time to keep it safe. I ain't got time to play it safe. I mean, I'm conservative in the market, don't get me wrong, but I'm saying with taking those chances when I see them, I'm going to take them every single time, because ain't none of this promise. Everything risky in life. Going out your front door risky. Driving in this car risky. You know what I mean? Like, everything is risky. This is a risky life. You waking up in the morning is risky, because it could possibly not happen. So, hey, I'm going for all I know. I'm going hard. I'm going hard. I'm going hard. You already know, guys. And let me tell you something. It's better to lose money in the stock market and investing than it is trying to impress people or buy bullshit. You get what I'm saying? So you already know, man. Free game. I love y'all. Y'all already know what to do, man. Add your boy on Instagram at the B Hayes Show. And I love y'all. We out, and God bless you. We gone.